ka na ngayon, Charisse?
21 po.
Ever since, hindi ka nagka-crush ng lalaki talaga? Hindi. Di ba, ngayon, you're in a relationship, di ba?
Opo.
Nandito ba siya? Nandito kayo sa studio, nakikita ko? Oh my God! Nandito pala siya! Di ba naman Charisse naman eh! Sinurprise mo talaga kami, Charisse! Joke lang. Ang ganda, ay, Vice ganda lover. Is there anything you wanna tell her? Meron ka bang message?
Pwede ba pwede ba ikanta ko na lang?
Sure. Oo, daan. Kahit anong pamamaraan.
Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Such a heart, such a soul. When you're finally there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You can't tell me it's not worth fighting for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you.
Oh my God! Alam mo, pag kumanta na talaga si Charisse, nakakalimutan nating dating pansit kanto ng buhok niya. Di ba? Iba ka talaga. Iba yung buhok, nakakakilabot, nakakaano. Damang-dama mo yung kanta. Hindi ka ba natakot na habang kumakanta ka, tapos nakapikit ka, tapos pag dilat mo, wala na kami? Hindi ka ba
Okay lang po yun.
Ba't kailangan nakapikit? Mas
Mas
dama.
feel. Kasi
Talaga?
pag may pikit ako, nag-i-imagine ako.
Anong ini-imagine mo?
Forever.
Natutuwa ako sa'yo, promise. Yeah. Sabay tayo maligo minsan, Nakakatuwa to. Okay. Ang dami mo raw balak i-record ng mga kanta, tapos mga dating kanta na gusto mo bibigyan ng sarili mong version or sarili mong rendition.
Opo.
Ano mga songs yan?
Actually, kahit ngayon, yung mga songs na narinig natin ngayon na like mga upbeat song, gusto kong gawa ng sarili kong version na yun, yung babagalan ko, tapos gawin ko medyo acoustic. Basically, mga favorite songs ko.
Like what song?
Like yung Titanium.
Pwedeng pa-sample ulit.
Okay.
Kasi ang sarap eh, di ba?
Ayun, meron pala.
Ladies and gentlemen, once more, to sing for us the song Titanium. Here she is. Charisse. Charisse!
Shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away, you shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I am titanium.
Mas gusto ko na yung version mo kaysa sa original. Gusto ko yung maraming titanium, yung unlimited titanium sa dulo. Dahil nakainom ako ng kape kanina, isang pitcher. May gusto lang akong i-request. Nahiya tuloy ako. Di ba mag-duet naman tayo?
No. Oh my God.
Nahiya ako. Nakakahiya naman!
Oh my
Pwede
God.
ba? Play mo nga agad. Charot!
Oh yeah, once in a lifetime lang to ah. As in.
Once in a lifetime, huli na to, hindi ka na papayag next
Di papayag ako next time. It's just first time to eh. And isang vice ganda. Sorry.
Before we do this number, I just want to tell you that I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
You're such a beautiful person.
Thank you.
Oh, you deserve to be respected and you deserve to be adored and admired by millions of people. And congratulations for that smile. Congratulations for that confidence. Maraming nagdaan, pero at least, di ba, you're standing tall. Standing tall? Bagay ba sa'yo? Di ba, height?
Pagbigyan nyo na kahit.
Di ba? At least. Okay. This is my favorite song. This is Skyscraper. Skies are crying. I am watching teardrops in my hands. Only silence as it's ending, like we never had a chance.
Have to make me feel like there's nothing left to me. You can take everything I have. You can break everything I am, like I'm made of glass, like I'm made of paper. Ooh.
Don't try to tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper. Like a skyscraper. As the smoke clears, I awaken and entangle you from me. Would it make you feel better to watch me while I bleed on my window? Still broken, but I'm standing on my feet. You can take everything I have. You can break everything I am, like I'm made of glass. I'm made of paper. Don't wanna try to tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper. 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 Thank you so much, Charisse! Maraming salamat sa'yo. I love you.
Thank you,
Ayan.